Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify step by step. First, if you do not have a Netlify account, go to the Netlify website and sign up for free. From the dashboard, click the Add New Site or Add New Project button. Then select Import an existing project. Netlify will show a list of Git providers. Choose GitHub. You will be asked to authorize Netlify to access your GitHub account. You can allow access to all repositories or select only the ones you want. After authorization, Netlify will show a list of your GitHub repositories. Select the one you want to deploy. Next, configure the deploy settings. Choose the branch to deploy. Usually, this is the main or master branch. Check the build command. Netlify often detects it automatically. For example, a React app uses npm run build. Confirm that this matches the command needed to build your project. Set the publish directory to the folder containing the compiled site files. This could be build, dist, or public depending on your project. You can also add environment variables in the advanced settings if your project requires them. Finally, click the Deploy Site button. Netlify will start building and deploying your project. You can monitor the progress in the deploy log. Once the deployment is complete, Netlify provides a live URL for your website. Open the URL to make sure everything works as expected. Thanks for watching.